This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're going to check into the Instant Pot. So this is an unboxing video. We'll show you the advantages and techniques to use this Instant Pot. So today we're going to go through some of the features of the Instant Pot. So this Instant Pot will save you lots of time and money when you make your dishes. So here's a user manual to tell you how to take care of your Instant Pot, plus how to use it. Then you have this recipe booklet. So it has different kind of recipes in there. So it's pretty good actually. I like this pamphlet for cooking timetables. It'll tell you how long it takes to cook different kind of vegetables. For example, it'll show you how to cook broccoli, cauliflower, corn, potatoes. Tells you how long to cook beef stew. Tells you how to cook chicken, lamb, pork, even eggs. So it comes with a cord. I'll just take that out right now. Heavy, sturdy cord. So it's nicely packed in styrofoam. So here is the lid. The lid is pretty heavy, sturdy lid. So I used to use a pressure cooker at my dad's restaurant. We had the pressure fried chicken. So it works on the same principle. It speeds up cooking time using pressure. So you have to release all the air pressure before you can open the lid. So there's different ways of doing it. So we'll get into that as we do different recipes. But at this point, we're just going to check out the lid. It's a nice sturdy lid. Pretty heavy feel to it. I think it's a well-made piece of equipment. And then you have the two different kind of utensils. This one is sort of like a ladle, and this is another. I don't know what to call these things, you know? But anyway, you have this thing where you can scoop liquids and soup. Here's a rack that comes with it. So I think when you put food into the Instant Pot, you can use this rack to bring out, like say a dish. You put it in there, into the pot. Then when you put your dish, when it's ready to take out, it would still be pretty hot. So you use this collapsible carriage thing, so you can just take your food out. So the Instant Pot should not be filled more than 2/3 full. So that's a cooking tip. So food does expand, such as rice or vegetables. So then, in that case, don't fill the inner pot more than half full. So this only applies to pressure cooking programs. Okay. So then we have this, nice and sturdy. This pot here is nice and sturdy. This is what it looks like inside the machine here. So here's a warning label. Make sure the heating element is free from grease and debris. So don't leave food on the heating element. So it says use only genuine Instant Pot inner pots for cooking. And remove the card before use. So the Instant Pot here looks pretty sturdy. Just check out the bottom here. And then it has the wheel setting. So you turn it to the setting that you want. So it's pressure cook, has soup, meat, bean, steam, slow cook, saute, warm, rice, porridge, multigrain, cake, egg, sterilized yogurt, and ultra. So the first Instant Pots have the push button. So you push the button. This one has a wheel. So this might be more of a new innovation by Instant Pot. So we're going to be cooking different recipes. So this is just the first video, and I've already started doing research on how to cook with the Instant Pot. So I'll be adapting different recipes to Chinese cooking. So stay tuned, and I'll be doing a lot of Instant Pot recipes in the next little while. So just check the description below in my Chinese cooking accessory guide. You'll find different ingredients and items used in Chinese cooking, as well as the wok that I use and this Instant Pot that I use. This is a quick demonstration of how to use the Instant Pot for high pressure cooking. Future recipes will follow. I have the wire rack. I'm going to put it in the Instant Pot. So the wire rack comes with an Instant Pot. So I rubbed a whole bunch of salt on the chicken, so it should be nice and salty. And so next step here, I'm just going to add enough water to cover the bottom of the Instant Pot. 3 cups of water will just line the bottom there. So you'll just barely touch the bottom of the chicken. So I like to work with 3 cups of water for chicken when you steam it. So next you just close the lid to the left. So cancel the last setting. So we're going to set it for 15 minutes on pressure cook. So you show the pressure cook here. High pressure, delay is off, and the keep warm button is on. So 15 minutes, 5 minutes per pound of chicken. We've got 3-pound chicken here. So it'll take a few minutes to build the pressure. Then it'll cook for 15 minutes. And then it's going to naturally release the pressure. Will take about 10 to 15 minutes. And they'll finish with the manual release. So that'll take another minute or so. So just push the button here on the end here. So just do it very slowly and then press down. So when the silver button drops, that's when the pressure is finished coming out. There it is. So only took about 30 seconds on top of the 15 minutes. So turn right to open. Oh, nice. Oh, turned out really nice. And then you've got a nice broth here. You can make a nice chicken noodle soup, or you can use it for noodles or whatever you like. So the next stage, you just pull the chicken up, put it on a plate, just like that. Now to start the stir fry on the Instant Pot, we turn it on. So the setting is a 1-button setting here. So you turn the button down until you go to saute. Where is it? So the setting that you need is the saute. So you just turn the wheel till you get to the saute setting. So it goes up and down on the wheel. So when it's flashing, it's on saute. Press it. So for this timing, when it flashes, press it down, then you move the timer. So I'm pretty sure I can get the whole thing done in 10 minutes. So I'm going to put it down for 10 minutes and then start. So we've been waiting for about 5 minutes. So the reading now shows hot. So we're ready for the stir frying right now. So I use the same cooking technique that I use for a wok. The advantage of a wok is that you get the sear via wok, hey, if you have a carbon steel wok. But this Instant Pot on the saute setting works just like a wok, like a frying pan. So this generates pretty hot heat. So the setting for the recommended on the booklet is medium. I like to cook on high heat. You don't get the sear of a wok, like a carbon steel wok, but you still get a pretty good stir fry. It produces pretty good heat on this Instant Pot. So the Instant Pot is signaling 10 minutes. See, exactly 10 minutes, I'm finished. So that's my goal, to cook everything in 10 minutes for stir fry, for this kind of stir fry anyway. So the beeper just went. It's been 10 minutes. I can take off the stir fry right now. Turned out pretty good here. I'm going to shut off the heat right now. So there you have it. Beef and Shanghai bok choy stir fry with some red peppers and green onions. Enjoy. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for your continued support.